That's because plants love a little care, sunshine, water, and curiosity.
Then let's find out how they grow. It's so little, but look at the stripes on it.
Noted. The outer coat is patterned. Could help with moisture.
You're noticing exactly what a grower should. Trust your eyes,
Think
Mira.
it'll sprout like this little one?
With a
Can you guess what makes it grow?
Water, sunlight, air and soil, love, secret fertilizer.
All of these. When they work together, life grows.
Here it is, our plant's journey. We start with the seed. Given water and light, it turns into a sprout,
Whoa, it looks like it's glowing.
then grows into a full plant.
There it goes, right in the middle of the cotton.
It looks so tiny. Hard to believe it could turn into a plant.
Give it some water.
Water enters through the roots and travels upward, carrying nutrients into the stem and out to the leaves. Inside each leaf, that water powers photosynthesis, helping the plant make its own food and grow.
All that bright sunlight turns into energy the plant can use to grow. The leaves catch the light, turn it into food, and the whole plant powers up. Sunlight equals energy. Simple and amazing.
Plants take in carbon dioxide through tiny pores in their leaves. They use the carbon to build sugars, and in return, they release oxygen back into the air. It's like a breath of...
When plants soak up sunlight and water and mix in carbon dioxide, they turn it all into their own food and give us oxygen as a bonus.
Whoa! The leaf is actually making bubbles.
Yep, that's
Chloroplasts drifting in their own little seeds. Each one is busy weaving sunlight into energy. The whole forest runs on this quiet.
See this glow? That's the sun's energy being transformed by chlorophyll.
It's like the plant is drinking light.
Exactly. Chlorophyll captures those rays, turning them into the food the plant needs to grow.
It's sprouting. Look at it go. It's getting taller so fast.
Beautiful leaves. Oh,
Okay, I'm lining it up. Top of the leaf is right here. Looks like 12.4 centimeters.
Got it. 12.4 with a little sparkle next to it.
Nice.
You both did a great job caring for your plants. The big difference is where they lived. One in sunlight, one in shade. After 4 weeks, the sun...
Whoa! That's a lot of water. Kai, it's turning into a fountain.
Here, Tissue, you might need more than... The thermometer is holding steady at 25 degrees.
Perfect. The tablet says that's the sweet spot for growth.
Our little sprout looks happy about it.
Let's keep the temp steady and see how fast it shoots up.
Science and sunshine.
Airflow helps strong stems. A little breeze is like exercise for a plant. It encourages the stem to grow sturdy and support itself.
Grow strong, little buddy.
That's the spirit.
This one has tiny serrations along the edge. See? So cool.
Noted, day 7, new serrated leaf. I'm gonna zoom in on that. Hold still. Click.
This is called pollination, Aya.
wow, they're carrying the pollen from one flower to another.
Exactly. It's how plants grow new seeds.
It's like magic.
and teamwork.
Oh, wow. It's turning into fruit.
2 more pollinators on the sunflower. I'm logging it.
Got it. I'll add them to the sketch. Those wings catch the light like glass.
And the tomato plant's up another centimeter since yesterday.
Nature's hustling.
Plants need 4 simple things to grow strong. Sunlight, water, air, and a little bit of care.
Got it, Professor.
Wonderful. Let's help this one thrive.
Yes, we did it! Teamwork for the win. Look at that bloom. It's perfect. Our little plant made it. High fives all around. Awesome job, everyone. Let's keep it growing.
Bye, everyone.
See you next time.
Good night.
Sleep tight.
And remember, science is everywhere.
Can't wait to explore gravity with you. See you soon.